Hi, my name is Tom Jablonski. Today we're going to walk through Microsoft Dynamics Business Central's Edit in Excel feature. This Edit in Excel feature is a terrific feature. It allows us to bring in data, almost any kind of data in almost any screen throughout the system. Works super well with your master records and even some of your transactional records, right? I can come into my customer list and I can see that I have a whole bunch of customers that already exist out into here, but there's a whole bunch more that I wanted to add. And so I can come in and use this feature right here, this little icon, and do a edit in Excel. And it's going to go ahead and launch this file. I've actually staged the file out here just to have it open and not force me to go through the enable editing in here. But it's just a couple of quick steps that I have to do. Number one, got to get to the end of my array, and I'm just going to increase the size of this array one field. And then when I come back over, I've got a blank field in here that I can start to fill in some additional records. I'm going to come into here, and I'm just going to start right at this level, and I'm going to bring in just this range of customers. I'm going to click Control-C. And this is literally just Excel at this point, and I'm just cutting and pasting back and forth. Over here, I've got my address information, so I'm going to click back over. And of course, I click down, but here we go. We've got, let's do this. Back over to my other worksheet. And we're going to paste that into there. And then we're going to go grab the city, state, and zip, and then we're done. And then we're just going to go bring this data right into our system. 2, 3, Control-C, back over to here. Once I'm done bringing in my data, if there was more data that I needed to bring in, these templates are editable. We can control which fields are here for us to bring in. I didn't bring in any email information, but I could have. Same thing with phone numbers. I just wanted to cut to the chase, get this in. Please note that I don't have any customer numbers associated with these yet because they haven't been added into my database. And so what I'm going to do now is just click the publish. And when I do this, it's going out here, it's analyzing this file compared to what the data is in the background, and it says that the publish worked successfully. I'm just going to reduce this, reduce my other data set. I'm going to click back into here, and then all I'm going to do is hit my F5 key, and it's going to refresh my data. And now if I go down to the bottom of my customer list, there's all those new customers that we just added into the system. So if I were to click on one of these, I'll get to see that here's all of their name information, here's their address information that we copied over, and we're off to the races. I'm going to go ahead and back out of the customer card. So again, Edit in Excel, very easy to use, can be used for customers, vendors, and items, could be used for transactional data if that's what you needed to do. And it makes your life easier using tools that you know, and it's all part of the Microsoft Office suite along with Microsoft Business Central. Thank you for your time, and that's the end of our Edit in Excel video.